Learning objectives. Preventive maintenance. Create a job plan. Revise a job plan. Preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance defines schedules for performing certain maintenance jobs on assets or locations. Each PM serves as a template to generate one or more work orders, according to its schedule. Applications included with preventive maintenance. The preventive maintenance, PM application, mainly involves three applications. These are job plans, routes, and preventive maintenance. While it's not necessary for every PM to include a reference to a job plan, you should create an associated job plan if the PM includes any of the following. 1. The PM requires labor. 2. The PM requires inventory, material, services, tools. 3. The PM has specific tasks defined for the work. Job plan overview. Job plans outline tasks, labor, materials, and tools for specific work. They help standardize and organize tasks and serve as templates for work orders in routine maintenance. Creating a job plan. 1. Navigate to planning, job plans. 2. Complete the required fields in red, job plan number and description. The items in yellow are recommended. Note: we do not recommend that you enter any specific usernames, as you will need to update them individually if a team member leaves or is reassigned. Add job plan tasks. After completing the top section, you can enter tasks. While tasks are optional, they can serve to establish a task list for designated individuals, or to provide more detailed information relevant to the tasks at hand. These tasks will be copied over to the Plans tab of the work order referencing this job plan. Click on the plus icon to add a task. The fields in yellow are recommended. When you add a task description, you can click on the long description icon to add more details. This can include rich text, such as bullets, specific spacing, bold or highlighted text, etc. You can also edit this long description when needed on the job plan by revising the job plan itself and entering in the new text. In this manner, you can keep track of all changes to the job plan. Add labor. 1. To add labor, select the Labor tab and click the plus icon. The fields in yellow are recommended. 2. Enter a craft or vendor rather than a specific individual. 3. Specify quantity, number of workers, and total hours needed for the work. For example, 3 people working 3 hours each equals quantity 3 and 9 hours. 4. If an appointment is required, select Appointment Required so that you can run a report and get the appointments set up prior to work. 5. You may also select necessary qualifications needed for the work, such as confined space training or welding certification. Labor will be copied over to the Plans tab of the work order, referencing this job plan. Add materials. You can enter materials in the same manner by clicking on the Materials tab. Recommended fields are in yellow. You can quickly select related inventory items by clicking on Select Spare Parts and selecting the asset to obtain recommended inventory spares. You can also click on the plus icon to add a line. Materials will be copied over to the Plans tab of the work order referencing this job plan. Add services or tools. Services and tools use their respective applications in inventory to request specific items. Services and tools will be copied over to the Plans tab of the work order referencing this job plan. Activate job plan. Once you have completed the job plan details, change the status of the job plan to active. Now, you will be able to select the job plan on a PM or a work order. Revise job plan. Once a job plan is active, it becomes read only. The only way to make edits to the job plan is to create a revision. Go to More Actions and click Revise Job Plan. Creating the revision. When you revise a job plan in Maximo, add a revision description and click OK. Maximo creates a duplicate of the original job plan. The new record is assigned a status of PNDREV, pending revision. The revision number increases by 1. Once updates are done on the revised job plan, change the status to active. The original job plan is automatically updated to a status of revised. Maximo maintains record of all changes to a job plan, as historical work orders will reference the old job plan. New work orders created will reference the new job plan revision.